Everybody, this is exercise 3-2 on the week 7 quiz access for chapter 3. I had a couple students with questions, so I thought I'd work it out for everyone and just sort of talk through what it means. I think maybe that's the bigger issue at hand is what does each of these items mean? So it says for each of the following separate situations, determine the amount of expense each company should recognize in December using accrual basis accounting. So remember, with accrual basis accounting, instead of worrying about when cash changes hands, we're going to worry about when expenses were incurred or revenues were earned. And we will record them appropriately in those periods when they were. So for expenses, we will record them when they're incurred. Incurred means when we have, I guess, earned the expense, meaning when we've received goods or services from someone else, that's when we'll have incurred the expense. So let's just take a look at the first one. Chipotle has monthly wages expense of $6,600 that has been incurred but not paid as of December 31st. So this is pretty normal when your payday falls after the end of the month, and so people will have worked for you, and so you've incurred the expense. You owe them that money, but you won't actually pay them until the next payday. Maybe the next payday is January 1st or 2nd or something like that. And so what you have to do is you have to record the expenses of those wages during December at the end of the month so that your books will correctly show all those expenses you've incurred. So any expenses incurred during December, even if they haven't been paid yet, are going to be recorded as an expense on December 31st. All right, B, United Airlines purchases a 24-month insurance policy for $99,000 on December 1st for immediate coverage. Okay, so this is a little different. So they've purchased the insurance, they paid $99,000 in cash for it, but they haven't really incurred the expense for it yet. It's going to last for the next 24 months. So what we have to do is we have to divide up that $99,000 over 24 months to figure out how much we're going to record as an expense each month. So I'm going to open up my calculator here. I'm going to say $99,000 divided by 24 months is $4,125 per month. So at the end of each month for the next 24 months, we will recognize an insurance expense of $4,125. On December 15th, Pfizer prepays $54,000 for hotel rooms for its annual sales meeting in January. So here they're paying $54,000, but the expense won't actually occur until January. Remember, we want to match up our expenses with the activities that are involved in them. So even though we've paid money ahead, we won't incur the expense until our people actually stay at the hotel rooms. So we're going to record $0 of that at December 31st as an expense. And then in January, we'll go ahead and record that as an expense. Let me double check. Looks like we got it right. So hopefully that helped. And again, as always, don't be afraid to reach out if you have other questions.